Hello student of class 8, this is the continuation part of your previous video, percentage. Now I am going to start sum number 10. Here the question is, after spending 5% of a sum of money, rupees 133 remained. Find the sum of money. Okay. Here spending money equal to 5%. That means left money equal to 95%. Hundred minus 5%, that is 95%. Is it clear? When remaining money is rupees 95, then total money equal to rupees 100. 95% means when remaining money is 95, then the total money is 100. When remaining money is rupees 1, then total money equal to rupees 100 by 95. When remaining money is rupees 133, then the total money is 95 into 133. That is unitary method. 19, 5, 5, 19, 95, 5, 20, 19, 7. That is 140. Okay. Answer is rupees 140. Answer is rupees 140. Question is, find the sum of money. Required money is rupees 140. Okay. Thank you. And next sum is, this is sum number 11. Sum number 12 is, the distance from Howrah to Burdwan via cord line is 85 km and the distance is 5% more by main line. What is the distance of main line? Okay, this is sum number 12. Distance from Howrah to Burdwan. Howrah to Burdwan, distance 85 km. In cord line, main line distance is more of 80% more. Sorry, 5% more. That means 85 plus 85 into 5 by 100. This is in main line. This distance is in main line. Okay. This distance is in main line. 85 plus 5% more of 80%. That is 85 into 5 by 100. So I can write it in this. So 85 is common from here and I can write it 1 plus 5 by 100 kilometer. This is equal to 5 by 20. This is 85. 1 plus 1 by 20. This is 85, 20 plus 1 by 20. This is equal to 85 into 21 by 20. So I can write it 85 into 21 by 20. 85 into 21 by 20, this is equal to 85 into 21 by 20. This is equal to 17 1 just 17, 17 1 just 17, 1 4. This is equal to 8 kilometer, 89.25 kilometer. Okay. Sum number 11. The salary of a man is increased by 25%. By what percent should his salary be decreased to retain the previous salary? To retain the previous salary. Sum number 11. Let us consider the salary of a man be rupees 100. New salary is increased by 25%. That means 100 plus 100 into 25 by 100, 25% of 100, that is 100 plus 25 rupees. This is equal to rupees 125. Okay. And required question is to make his salary original 25, that means 100. To make his salary original, that is rupees 100, 25 rupees 25 must be subtracted from 125, rupees 125. Okay. Then the salary will be rupees 125 minus 25. This is equal to rupees 100. That is original salary. Okay. That means reduced salary is 25 out of 125 to get original salary, that is rupees 100. That means decreased salary, decreased percentage salary, this is equal to decreased salary 25% out of rupees 125 to get the salary 100. This percentage of this equal to this. This is equal to 20%. Okay. This is the required answer. So 25% of new salary must be decreased to retain the previous salary or original salary. That means original salary, that means rupees 100. Okay. This is sum number 11. Sum number 13. Sum number 13. 25% of a number is 30. What is the number? Let the number be x. So I can write 20% of x equal to 30. Here it is given. That means 20% means 20 by 100, of means into x, this is equal to 30, 20 by 5, 20 into 5, 100, so x by 5 equal to 30, that is x equal to 30 into 5, this is equal to 150. So the required number is 150. The required number is 150 and this is the answer of the given question. I am ending here. The next sum will come in next video.